Okay? So, actually not just today. This is overnight, right? Okay? So,
Hi! We're now heading to Macro Asia. Diyos ko naman. Madali pa yung bags. Madali pa yung bags. Salad.
Alex na pangalasa. Tati! Kain! Guys, kain kayo guys.
3, 2, 1, go!
No, because it's kind of giving Mona Lisa. It's kind of giving. Woo!
Saan tayo? Ano pangalan?
The Aurora's Canary
Hotel.
So all transactions, like a customer service, telephone calls, we are also handling guest those personals and their response are
Reservation.
department. Okay, reception.
Bakit dalawa yan? Meron display sa ilong. Talagang zoom ng pagkain. Ano? Tayo? Ay, naku talaga tayo pareho. Check! Bawat lalamas, kumain ka lang. O, tara na tayo tayo muna. Sa lumnek!
Ibabalik kita ng buong buo. Pangako yun sa'yo. Kanibalismo, di ka matiis.
So guys, kaka-check out na namin sa room and on the way na kami sa aming next destination sa Batas.
nakatapos niya 92 meters. Nag-cross na to, naakyat po yan. Yung each. So, the death march, sino po bang involved dito? Kaya, sino pong involved sa death march? Hindi ako.
Sila tayo. Mommy, where are we? We are in Bataan.
stand natin, which is again, the corridor.
Hi guys, we are going home. Bagsak. Ano mo pagsikat pa rin ng bus, visit Ashanti. Tulog na agad. Bagsak na siya.
Ako po kinapusta niya, sabi niya. Kaya okay ka lang. Oo. Tapos paglikod mo. Nag-relax ka. Yan yung music. Ayun. Biglang pumula.
She's fucking his life, and it feels so maybe this time. He got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time. And it feels so right, maybe this time. The way back then, just keep me like she used to feel the way back when.
Gising lahat ang matutulog. Parang kasalanan ang matulog sa inyo.
Sabi guys.
We're gonna go home. Bye.